So this is Pro7 COCO 70/30 mix made by JIFFY. It's a mix of 70% pure high quality JIFFY coconut, coir, pith and mixed fibres, and 30% perlite to give it a fantastic air to water ratio and give your plants a fantastic start and maintain it through the life of your plant through really good moisture retention. It's peat free and it comes buffered, washed, low EC, ready to choose your fertilising profile. Beautifully light, really easy to use. Can be irrigated or hand watered. Really good for hand watering because it's simple to use and you can tell when you've watered enough. Fantastic for pots. And there we are.